Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a service on our Arkk Pure system. So first things that we're going to do first is we're going to locate our inlet water. We're going to turn off our mains water coming into the system. So you can see here, this is our mains valve. We want to turn that off. So simply by pushing down on it, and then that'll turn off any water that's going into our system. Or if you don't have that inlet valve, what you might have here on your pipe is an online valve. And when we want to turn off the online valve, very easy, by just turning it like that there, so it's against the pipe. After we turn the water off, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the front of our system and gently lift our lid off, and we'll see our two filters here located. Our first filter, which is our CP filter, and then a second filter, which is our RO reverse osmosis membrane. So what we're going to do this year is we're going to do our CP filter. We're going to twist it anti-clockwise out with our old filter, and then we're going to come back in and we're going to insert our new filter, twist it to around 10 o'clock, then twist it in fully. To do our membrane, it's the same as our CP filter, so we're going to go anti-clockwise and insert our new membrane in. So at around 10 o'clock, and then twist it then to 12 o'clock. So what we want to do is we want to set our CP filter, so we're going to press and hold our select button. And we'll see our CP filter flashing there, and once it's flashing we can press and hold select again, and then that's our CP filter there now set. So if we're doing our CP and our RO, what we want to do is we want to go back in and set our RO now next. So we press and hold select, and we see our CP filter flashing, so we press select once and we'll see our RO flashing there now. So then we want to press and hold select. So now that is our two filters reset and programmed into our system. Do is we want to turn back on our water, so by very easily turning it back on like that. So after you have your filter change, the system reset, your water turned back on and your cover back on, what we want to do is we want to turn on your Pure faucet and let the system run for 10 minutes. And what that there is doing is it's flushing out your new filters before you start drinking.